Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a GM certified 2018 Chevy Equinox LT all-wheel drive. Stock number Z7724A. Only 6,000 miles on this one owner, local trade. Clean auto check history report. We sold this Equinox brand new, just took it back in on trade. Summit white in color. To be GM certified, a vehicle goes through a very strict 172-point inspection, giving you the balance of a 3-year, 36,000-mile bumper-to-bumper and a 6-year, 100,000-mile powertrain warranty. You also receive an additional 12-month, 12,000-mile bumper-to-bumper and 2 years or 24,000 miles of scheduled maintenance. Equinox seats 5, cloth interior, lots of legroom for the rear passengers. Backup camera, along with rear parking sensors for additional safety, and power liftgate for convenience. Lots of cargo space in the rear, 60/40 split seat, fold flat easily with a pull of a handle, with additional underfloor storage, and of course no dents or dings with only 6,000 miles. This LT has keyless entry with remote start, power windows, locks, mirrors, power liftgate control, power driver's seat, along with a tilt and telescopic steering wheel to put you in that perfect driving position. Large, easy to read gauges, again only 6,000 miles, with driver information system, controlled by buttons on the steering wheel, cruise control, large, easy to operate touchscreen for radio. It's also satellite radio capable. Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use or to connect other Bluetooth-enabled devices. Great for wireless music streaming. And then is of course where the backup camera display is. Dual zone automatic temperature control with heated front seats. USB and auxiliary input. Allows you to connect mobile media devices like iPods, MP3 players, smartphones. All-wheel drive lock. 6-speed automatic transmission with manual shift capability and lots of storage space in the armrest. Large glove box with all the owner's materials and home link transmitter for garage door opener. Under the hood, this Equinox has a 1.5 liter turbocharged 4-cylinder, 170 horsepower. And just as clean under the hood as the rest of the vehicle. Excellent fuel economy, especially for an all-wheel drive crossover. EPA average of 24 miles to the gallon and the city average of 30 on the highway. And again, only 6,000 miles on those tires. Don't forget about that GM certification, protecting your investment. For more, please go to SheboyganAuto.com.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.